If you use max in your interview, you might max out your chances of rejection. Let's do the right way. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's Python interview question is, how do you find the largest number in a list without using built-in functions like max? You are given a list of numbers like 5, 12, 3, 21, 9. Your task is to return the largest number, but you have to do it using basic logic, no shortcuts. We will solve this using a simple loop. Assume the first number is the largest. Loop through the list and compare each number. If any number is greater than our current largest, update it. This works for any list of integer or floats. Now let's write a Python code for this. So we'll define one function, find largest, and we will take number as an input. Now we will take one variable largest equal to, and we will assign first element from the list, so that is 0. As you know, index starts from 0. Now we'll take for loop for num. Actually we'll change this to nums. Now we can say for num in nums and go till 1, because first number we have already initialized to 0, so loop should start from 1 till end. Now we'll check if number is greater than largest. If this is true, then we'll assign the largest equal to num. Then we'll return largest. Now we'll call this function print find largest, and inside this we will pass a list, that is, let's say 5, 12, 34, 21, 87. Now let's execute this. As you can see, 87 is the highest among this list. Let's give some negative values. So we'll turn all this to negative values and let's execute. As you can see, the -5 is the largest among all these negative values. If we give only one element from the list, let's say 100, so that will be the largest, because we have already assigned the first element to the largest. Now what will happen if we pass empty? So let's see that. As you can see, we got an error, because for the largest we are trying to assign nums of 0, but it's not there. So it gives list index out of range. So we need to handle this. So before this initialization, we'll check another condition. If not nums, then we'll return none. We'll return none. So let's execute again. As you can see, we have returned none. Now let's do the dry run example with 5, 12, 3, 21, 9. So we know 21 is the largest among this list. So now let's simulate each iteration. So this list is passed into nums. If not nums is checked, it is false. So it will go to the largest equal to nums of 0. So here the largest value is 5, because it is nums of 0. So now it will check if 12 is greater than 5. So that is true. So now largest will be updated with 12. Now it will take another loop and it will take the third value 3. It will take 3 and it will check 3 greater than 12. So it is false. So no update in largest. So largest is still 12. Now it will take the next value, that is 21. So it will check 21 is greater than 12. It is true. So now the largest value is 21. And in the next loop it will take 9 and it will check 9 is greater than largest, that is false. So 21 will be returned and it will be printed on the screen. So let's see that. As you can see, 21 has been returned. And that's how you find the largest number without using built-in functions. Interview tip: once you have written the basic logic, you can mention, in real world code we would use max, but here's how it works internally. So if you like this video, drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more Python coding questions. Stay tuned for next videos. Till then, happy coding.